You know, Asantes don't judge you based on your background or tribe before honoring you. Instead, they remember your contributions to the Asanteman agenda. The renowned individual honored by the Asante Kingdom with his name on the Kumasi Sports Stadium, now Baba Yara Sports Stadium, is Ghana's football legend, Baba Yara. Kumasi Sports Stadium was not built by the Ghanaian government. Rather, it was constructed by a South African cocoa buying company as a gift to the Asantehene in recognition of the significant contributions of Asante cocoa farmers to the cocoa industry in 1959. Baba Yara was born on October 12, 1936 in Kumasi. His original name was Osman Seidu Maada, named after his father, Seidu Maada, and his uncle, who also shared the name Osman. However, because he shared the same name as his father, his mother called him Baba, meaning father. One day, after hitting a ball hard against a wall behind which his mother sat, she exclaimed, "Hey, Baba Yara!" And his nickname stayed with him forever. He began his career as a jockey at the Accra Turf Club from 1950 to 1955. Though he was from Sissala West District in the Upper West region, his family traveled to Kumasi to settle. Yara played active football from 1955 to 1963 and was voted Footballer of the Year twice, the highest football accolade in the country. He made his debut as a member of the Black Stars in 1955 in a match where Ghana beat Nigeria 7-0 at the Accra Sports Stadium. Baba scored 2 goals and assisted 4. Yara was also a proud member of the 1961 Black Stars, earning 51 caps and scoring 49 goals, which is a lot for a winger, earning him the nickname King of Wingers. On March 4, 1963, he suffered a tragic injury in a road accident while traveling with his teammates after a match in Pando in the Volta region of Ghana. After years of battling his injuries, he passed away at the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital on May 5, 1969. To honor his incredible talent and enduring legacy in Ghanaian football, the Kumasi Sports Stadium was renamed Baba Yara Sports Stadium on April 12, 2005. The over 60,000-seater capacity stadium remains Ghana's biggest sports stadium. Like, subscribe and share this video.